What's up, YouTube? The video I was gonna make it failed, but I was gonna be covering myself up. But my stepbrother doesn't want to do it, so yes, I'm doing my own though. Get my rainbow fidget spinner. Hey guys, I got a rainbow fidget spinner. I'll show you guys the other ones. Hold on. Oh, you better not be doing anything weird. Alright, so here they are. See, I got a golden one, I got a star one right here. So I like the rainbow one better, but it spins pretty nice though. They're metal. All of them are metal. Look. Okay. Nice. But this one comes out all the time. Yeah. Hey, you gotta screw it back in. Bam. I'm doing that out juice. Oh, that was like. You can see I have this and this. It's pretty good, but nice. And I got this though. It's pretty nice though, but everybody know what this is, right? It's a fidget spinner. Rainbow fidget spinner, I call it. Rainbow. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. My father told me, you'll be lonely. But daddy before me, daddy before me. So, if you guys ever get a chance to get a rainbow fidget spinner or a gold one or a star one, subscribe this video and don't forget to turn that thing up, whatever. Cool, what was it again? Turn your what again up?
Notifications.
Don't forget to turn your notifications up and subscribe. So, by the way, this is my stepbrother. He sleeps with it. He sleeps with it. Look. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't sleep with it, but it's been here since I was 4. So, yeah. But see this, but everybody know what this is. Star fidget spinner. And this is familiar. By the way, this cool. I meant, oh my God, Jake. What's the favorite one of yours? The star, gold,
Rainbow.
alright, rainbow. All right. So with rainbow, watch this. For example, he farts. See? That's the trick we've been doing all the time. So, ever get a chance? Get a fidget. Get a fidget. Get it. I know Jaslyn is out there, but Jaslyn is out there. If Jaslyn is out there, I want you to subscribe. And don't forget to put your notifications up, so yeah. By the way, I do videos like once around like a day or 7 or a week, but yeah. Because so but yeah. Oh, what the heck you think you talk? Oh, yeah. But my starfish. Oh, I thought that was all. Once I was 7 years old, So, anybody of you don't believe me that who are on my bus, guess what? I prove it to you. Got a rainbow, star, And a gold one. So yeah, I prove it to you. So how about that? How do you like them apples? Woo!